Hola mis amores, bienvenidas otra vez a mi canal. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe down below and be sure to turn that bell notifications to get notifications when I upload a new video. And if you have social media, you can follow me, Makeup Artist 27. That will be Facebook and Instagram. And if you have TikTok, you can find me on TikTok _ Miss Dancer 727. Of course, I know that you're like, how do you spell Miss Dancer? Don't worry about it. The links are down below. You can just click and follow me, which makes it more easier for you. But anyways, if you do like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Alright guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be trying out some amazing products from one of the biggest influencers out there. She's one of them. She's on the top, Miss Jaclyn Hill, and her own brand. Yes, Jackie. Anyways, this is my first time purchasing the products, purchasing from her brand, because I know we know about the lip experience we had about a year ago or so, or 2 years. I don't even know how long it's been. But anyways, she released some amazing products and I was like, yes, we're going to try it. So we purchased 2 of the products. We got a highlighter and then we have the duo that I'm gonna be trying. I already did my makeup, but I have no highlighter, no bronzer, no blush. That's because we're gonna try out these babies. But before that, I'm gonna give you some swatches. So first we have the highlighter from Jaclyn Hill. I love the packaging. It's amazing. I feel like she gives everything on this. Like, she knows. Like, I love her brand, like the way she presents her brand. I feel like it is luxurious. I think that's how you're gonna say it, but it looks like her. That's her. Like, if you see the way she has her house and things like that, you see like it's very luxurious. I'm like, I don't know, but it gives me that kind of vibe. I don't know if you feel the same, but if you do, let me know. Anyways, this is the color Iced. I was unsure on which highlighter to get, but we did get one. I was like, but look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. It's just you see what I mean? You see what I mean? Like, it's luxurious, like it's pretty, like fancy. Yeah, for me it looks fancy, luxurious, high class kind of makeup, which is supposed to, you know, because she is very high class. But look at that, look at that. I just love it. But anyways, it's Jaclyn Hill famous highlighter. I don't know what it says. It says this is super creamy highlighter, gives you light with every swipe, and that's about it. That's what it says. It gives you the ingredients and that's it. And it was made in Italy, but look at that color. Look at that. It's called Iced, like iced coffee, just like that. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a swatch. We're gonna feel it and see. Ooh, very soft. I love that. Look how it looks on my finger. I don't know if how's the lightning, because it's been kind of like, but I'm gonna give you a swatch over here. Look at that. I gotta look over here because I don't know how is the lighting, but it's a little bit better. Let's put this over here. We love that. Anyways, yes. We're just gonna see how it's gonna look on the cheek, which I know, knowing her, it's gonna look bomb. So yes, I don't remember the price, but I'll put it over here. I know it was kind of pricey, but you know, I wanted to try it and that's what I get. But then we have this amazing product duo that it's a bronze and blushing duo, which we don't know. We need that blush and bronzer. packaging, same as the other one. It's kind of like a copper kind of gold look, I would say. Amazing. I totally love how it gives you like the color and the blush and the bronzer color, which this one is Pink Me Up and then Oh Honey. That was so confusing to get, because I was like, oh, there's so many different ones. There was like 6 different duos, and I was like, oh, do I want like a more pinky, a more light pink? I had to be kind of like in the medium size, because light pink, it's not gonna show on me. I'm like, no. So we're gonna open it, and this one is a little bit different because this one shows black, not gold like the other one, but I think they were released on different, I don't think they were released the same day. I don't remember, but anyways, this is how it looks. This is how the back looks. It has the names, ingredients. It was also made in Italy also. And I'm gonna show you the colors now, which this one, it kind of looks like light pink, kind of in the medium size, and then we got the bronzer, which I don't know either or which is gonna work. Hopefully it looks good. I'm not like a bronzer person. I don't know, like I do it sometimes, but. And it tells you here, build a flawlessly blended sun-kissed bronze look with these blurring bronzer and blush shades. Woo! Anyways, but yes, let me show you the swatches on this. Make sure my hands are clean. So let's go ahead and use the bronzer, which it's not deep for me. It's not very deep for me. I didn't pick the right color as you can see, but this is the bronzer look. This is the bronzer. Sorry. Yeah, but that's not a very dark bronzer for me. I should have picked a darker one, but oh well. Anyways, it still works. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and it feels kind of like the same texture as the highlighter for me, and this is kind of like a light pink. It's not very crazy. I put it over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's kind of there, and I think I didn't pick the right one either. This is the light pink. I don't know, but anyways, we're gonna work it out. We'll make it happen. So I washed my brushes, all of them. I'm so proud. So a lot of them are still drying, so we're gonna see what we can use over here. Okay, so maybe you should use this one. Yeah, I had this one from NYX, which is kind of like this, and we're gonna use it to bronze. It says Moi Ashley. Haha. This is from I went to the makeup show. It's a makeup show, makeup something in Orlando. I don't know what it was. We went to the makeup show in Orlando. I went with a friend, and we got this customized. The NYX brand was there, and they were able to engrave that over there. Cute, right? Look. It says Moi Ashley. I don't know if you can see it. This thing is just, guys, next year I'm gonna buy a new camera. Period. Preach it. Okay, so we're gonna see how it looks. It doesn't have a lot of fallout. A little bit, not a lot. You can see a little bit of fallout, but not a lot. So see if I can do this, because my hair is in the middle. So I'm gonna this is not the color, guys. This is not the color. So I might have to order another one with the right color. So it has a little bit of bronze, but it's not for me, guys. It's not for me. This is too light. Too light. We did something. You don't see it, but we did something. Alright, so that's something. Now we're gonna use the blush. I guess I'll use this one. This is from Morphe. This is MB4. I don't even think this exists anymore, but we're gonna use this one to blush. Not a lot of fallout, a little bit. Regular, like regular fallout. Look, just a little bit. Like you don't see as much fallout in there. So I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. Oh, that you can see a little bit. You can see a little bit. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Yeah, you see it. I see it, guys. I see the blush. Don't worry, I see the blush. I see the blush. Okay, this blush is nice. Nice. The contour, I don't know because it's so light, but it feels good. Like, it feels good. The blush, it's kind of like perfect. It's not like super dark for me. It's kind of like in the medium, like softly blush. I'm gonna order probably another one, but with the right color, guys. Like the one before, the one after this, maybe. Because I feel like the contour is not as dark, but the blush, it was fine. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, I feel like the blush is fine. Like a light pink, nice blush. All right, so now we're gonna go into the highlighter, which is this is the part that I'm excited for because I'm a highlighter freak. So the highlighter. Let me see what brush we're gonna use because all my brushes are like, okay, let's use this one. Yeah, let's use this one. This is the Morphe E61. I do wanna you know, I'm gonna use it, we're gonna use it with, because I normally, if you see my videos, I normally apply setting spray. I apply the product, then I apply setting spray. So we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna apply the product and put it and see how it looks. So this is the brush that we're using. It's kind of like buffery, but it's kind of good for highlighting. Not a lot of fallout. Not a lot of fallout, just regular fallout, whatever. Anyways, let's see how this looks. Okay, bruh. I didn't put no spray. It's completely dry. Look at that shine. I'm looking at the camera because I'm like, like I don't, like I see it here when I turn. Like in the front, I don't see it, but if I turn, honey, okay, Jackie, okay, you did that. Okay, we're gonna put the, I always put it in the nose. We always put, we have to. And I put it on my lip over here. We have to. We gotta put it in the nose. Okay, now I'm gonna put the spray. What the fuck? Okay, so I apply the product and then we spray. So we're gonna apply the product and we're gonna spray a little bit of setting spray because it gives you like that shiny highlighting look. I'm dead. I'm alive, but I'm dead. Okay, put that over here. of course we can see that here it's like super glowy, and here I don't see a lot of difference on the camera. I don't know about you, but this one has a little bit of spray and this one doesn't have spray, which for me they both look good. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Me loving that highlighter, girl. I'm gonna order more, but anyways, yeah, on today's video we were just trying these products from Miss Jaclyn Hill, which she has her own brand now that it's on Ulta now, so I might as well go to Ulta and get it. But these are the products we were using today. The highlighter, which is a bomb. Look at that blindness. 10/10 on this. For this, the blush was good. The bronzer wasn't my color for me. I need to order I need to get another one. I need to get a deeper one that will cooperate with me with the bronzer, because the bronzer was too light for me. I thought I saw it dark on the picture, but I guess not. So yeah, anyways, the products are good. I feel like, yeah, they're really good. Nothing to talk about them. They're really good. I totally like them. The highlighter. But yes, that is it guys for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you want me to try the new lip products that she's releasing soon, which they're probably out by the time I put this video. So I don't know, I'm gonna see what people are talking about it and if they're good. I heard they're pricey, so let's see. If you guys want me to try it, I can get a couple shades and try them. I don't know about the lip pencil. I'm not a fan. So I use lip pencils, but I'm not like a fan, you know, like I don't care. Like I can use NYX lip pencils all day. I don't care. They don't have to be like high class lip pencils, you know. As long as it's good, we're good. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I see you in my next video. Bye.